So you took an L on the Adidas Yeezy Calabasas and you still want the sneaker, but you don't want to pay that resale price, which is like $5 to $10 over the actual retail price point. Well, I got some good news for you. Adidas has just put out, yet again, the original sneaker that inspired it, the Adidas Powerphase. Now, these shoes originally came out back in 1987, a part of an Adidas fitness collection. And yeah, if you like the Yeezy Calabasas, this is literally exactly the same shoe, but it just says Powerphase on the side instead of Calabasas. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if you're already part of the Sneaker Talk family, welcome back. If you haven't heard yet, we're doing a Yeezy Boost 350 V2 static giveaway for the month of April, and all you gotta do is subscribe to both of my channels, Sneaker Talk and Sneaker Talk 365. Like the content, hit that thumbs up button down below, and comment down below answering the comment question of the day, which we'll get to at the end of the video. So you guys are here for the Powerphase, and this sneaker right here is an amazing sneaker. It's not a hypey shoe by any means, but it's just so clean, and it's exactly what you want out of a white leather sneaker. First off, let's talk about the details of this shoe. Now, this colorway right here is the original OG white colorway, and these have a completely white leather upper, and I have to say the quality on this shoe is really solid. Besides the white leather upper, you have the Adidas branding in navy blue with the red trefoil logo right beside it. You have the Powerphase logo embossed into the leather on the side panel. We also have some perforations along the 3 stripes and on the toe box too. Now, in my opinion, if you're looking for a clean all-white pair of shoes for the spring and summer that are not the Nike Air Force One, that are not the Stan Smith, that is not an NMD or a Reebok Workout Plus, the Powerphase is definitely a top contender, and I seriously suggest you guys consider this. If you guys like these shoes, I'll leave them linked down below. These are about 150 Canadian dollars or 110 US dollars. Now, if you're not feeling this all-white colorway, for whatever reason, there's also another colorway out that just dropped as well on March 1st. And that is the Ecru Tint colorway. Ecru. Really weird. It's essentially like a creamy beige version of this shoe. And actually, one small disclaimer, this isn't a purely all-white shoe. The all-leather upper is white, but the bottom right here, the sole, is actually more of a creamy sail color. So it's like a slight shade off of white. But when you see these from afar, they're an all-white shoe. Now, on the inside of the shoe, we also have a white collar as well, so that's probably going to attract a lot of dirt. And let's face it, these shoes are going to be a dirt magnet, but I feel like they're going to be pretty easy to clean considering the material isn't suede or something that's going to stain really badly. So if you're diligent with where you walk and you don't drop too much ketchup from your hot dog onto your shoes, you should be good. Now, if you were looking for an all-white sneaker that had like a vintage kind of vibe for it, I feel like this is right up your alley, considering again they did drop in 1987 originally. This shoe really is like an OG in the game. In terms of sizing and comfort for the Adidas Powerphase, I would recommend going your true size. I'm usually a size 10 and I grabbed a size 10 for these and they fit me perfectly. The shoe is also going to play a little nicer if you have a wider foot. It isn't as narrow as a lot of the other Adidas sneakers. And in terms of styling these sneakers, these will literally go with everything. That's the beauty of an all-white leather sneaker like the Adidas Powerphase. I'm looking forward to more colorways that they do release for this particular shoe. I don't expect them to get too crazy and release like frozen yellow colorways like they've done in the past. I feel like they're going to keep it very simple, very monotone and low-key for the Powerphase. So only time will tell though. We all know Adidas and they really like to experiment with a lot of different colors. With that said, if you guys did make it to the end of the video, feel free to comment down below for the comment question of the day, your thoughts and opinions on the Adidas Powerphase. How does it compare to the Yeezy Calabasas? Let me know in the comment section down below. And of course, if you guys enjoyed this video, feel free to subscribe to this channel and subscribe to my other sneaker channel, Sneaker Talk 365, for a ton of more sneaker reviews just like this. Thanks for watching. Follow me on Instagram if you haven't yet already. It's @SneakerTalkCA, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.